What's she doing?
That's just really funny.
What feels funny?
Right here.
What happened right there?
It feels so funny when you touch it.
Why does it feel funny though?
It feels so funny.
What happened though? What happened? Why does it feel funny?
Because the white thing stayed in there so long and it got it tickly when you touch it.
Did the dentist do that?
Uh-huh.
Daddy, touch it, see if it feels funny.
Right here.
It does. Wow.
What does it feel like?
Does it feel like a needle in there?
Uh-huh.
Like she knows what a needle feels like.
Did you get a shot?
Say no.
You got a shot.
No!
You got a shot. They gave you a shot.
Cole, tuck.
What was it?
All right.
Let me see.